morning, Dylan. Ay. Good morning. Your bath is very nice, huh?
Because I just showered.
You just shower. Yeah, me too. I just shower.
It's like
After 3 years, no shower. Good morning. May sipon. Let's go. It's late now. Let's go. It's late. Where's your bag?
Mommy party too.
Yeah, take your bag. Hey. Take your bag, Dylan. Ciao, Trump. Yeah. Got a kiss? Kiss mommy. Ado po. Manja, Transo, viene Nona. Okay, let's go. Late. Right. Go. Huh? What? Cardi daddy, what? Tulat. Where are you going? Where are you going? School.
La macchina è andata via.
Sì.
È andata via.
La macchina?
La macchina che stava lì. È
Vai.
andata via.
Dopo push daddy.
Che fatto?
Niente. Andiamo. Let's go.
Che hai fatto?
Niente.
Che hai fatto però? Non ti hai visto?
Niente.
Che hai fatto?
Good morning, Yan Fam. Good morning from Italy. Hatid ko lang muna si Dylan sa kanyang school.
No school.
Cosa? Ha?
No school.
School? School. Okay, sorry. Hatid ko muna sa school si Dylan. Yan. Today meron kaming attendan na event ni Nancy sa kanyang university. Yun, kasi yung mga event dito sa university, kapag event ng university, pwede siya makakuha ng credits. So kailangan niya ng mga credits, so kaya yun, kailangan niya mag-attend. So pupunta kami ng Camerino. It's a bit far, but that's okay. So sasamahan ko siya. Hindi naman ako ka-importante doon, hindi naman ako kailangan doon, but sasamahan ko si Nancy kasi I think it's a whole day. Yun, so si Dylan pupunta ng school, si Noah iiwan namin sa lola niya, and yeah, yung it's a strange day, maaraw, maulan, maambon, yun, and medyo malamig. Last week medyo medyo maaraw na, nakalabas kami, naglakad na kami sa labas at medyo maaraw na, maganda na yung panahon. Hindi na ganun kalamig, tapos biglang lumamig na naman. Yun, kaya strange. Yan ay signs na mag-spring na. So spring it's arriving. And then summer. Yes. Okay, let's go. Sì, la mettiamo dentro. Scendi prima. Let's go. Ce la fai? Daday. Let's go. Metti in zaino. Metti dentro. Yes, bawal kasi magdala ng laruan sa school, kaya sa bag lang. Okay, inside the bag, okay? Okay, let's go. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Sporco il naso di Noah. Buongiorno. Good morning. Today you go to Nona, you go to Lola. Okay? Okay, bravo eh. Oh, may ubo. Yung isa may sipon, ikaw may ubo. Ayan. Kasi daddy mommy go to an event. Yo. Yan guys, so naihatid na namin si Noah Gabriel sa ano. I forgot to go there. I forgot that it's closed. Yeah, to go there in the inside. Okay, it's closed the road guys. I forgot kasi kahapon nagpa-register ako ng rehistro ng sasakyan ko dito rin. Alam ko na sarado yung kalsada and may isang shortcut doon sa kabila and I forgot because I was talking. Yeah. So natid na namin si Noah sa lola niya and Noah is really good. No, he's calm in the morning. In the night it's crazy.
Last night we gave chamomilla.
Yeah, it worked? No.
So he woke up only once.
Okay, once, 3 times he woke up.
Oh,
I'm awake.
I was so sleepy that I didn't notice, but I was calm.
Yeah, okay.
And
if it works for you, it's good.
I had to wake him up now.
So we are on the way to the event. What is the event about?
Career day.
Career day. So what you have
it's
to
like, introduction to career day.
Introduction to career day.
Because
For us,
career day will be in May, and it's like there's a lot of business, and you have a chance to talk with the business. You can introduce yourself. You make a interview, and today they teach you how to arrive to that, like, mentally prepared.
Okay. For us, career day. When you say career day, it's when people looking for job they come to.
Yes, will be in May. This is introduction to, so it's like to read the payslip, to learn about the contracts, different contracts. How to make a LinkedIn profile. I don't even know if nowadays
LinkedIn,
a lot of
here
people,
in Italy it's very important, the LinkedIn. I will do also.
Really?
For sure. LinkedIn. It's like your resume. Online resume, where people can just look up and
it's like a CV.
It's resume, curriculum vitae. Yan guys, so let's talk about update on my diet. Actually it's 1 week past already. 10 days actually, 1 week and have something. And keto diet, yun yung ginawa natin, no? And Nancy took care of all the recipe, everything, what I can eat. There are times na can I eat this? Can I eat this? She's already like, but
no, I've always said, if you want, you can eat whatever you want, but then don't complain that the diet does not work.
Yes, absolutely.
Like right now, I'm doing internship in one studio. There's a lot of people coming. After 1 month, my diet, my weight didn't change. I'm still the same. The doctor asked, did you follow exactly the diet?
It's because she's doing OJT. Studio here is like OJT in on the job training. Yes. Internship, we can say like that. As an nutritionist, so meron siyang mga experience niya yung mga real patients.
I'm actually listening to the stories of the people, no?
Yeah.
And the real doctor asked, did you follow exactly the diet? And no, after dinner I ate a bit of chocolate.
Just a
sometimes
bit.
I went to eat outside, I did this, I did that. Then it's obvious that you didn't lose weight.
Yeah.
I mean, if you follow exactly the diet, when there's less calories, it's normal you will lose weight.
Yes.
So it's always up to the person.
To the person, yeah.
For
But
me, you can eat anything you want. You're not
of course,
sick.
no one can.
Yeah, that's not. I'm not. No, I don't know.
Yeah, young guys. But I did a really strict diet, so
I said
really-
really strict. It's different from what you were eating.
it's different. Yeah, strict means like
No,
I
strict
follow
that is not eating at all.
I follow
You're full.
the recipe. I follow the etc. I follow the instruction from the nutritionist. Yes. So yun guys, from ang weight ko that time was 78.9.
79.
79.9, which is I'm playing with the 80, 81, 79.9 kilos. And now kaninang umaga nag-weight ako, it's like 76.2. 76.2.
Yes.
Yun guys. Pero yung waist ko hindi ko na measure, pero I lost already
5 to 7 centimeters.
1 week ago, 1 week after 1 week ng diet. Yes, 5 centimeters yung na-lose ko sa weight.
The thing
And
is,
I feel
not only the fat, but you lost water. So it's like this give you less. You were bloated, and now you're like less.
yeah. And what I noticed with keto diet, guys, at first 3 days you're like, oh, no energy, and you have pain in the muscle, etc. or whatever. But you have pain. You feel like you don't have energy. You don't want to do anything. You're just hungry, etc. But then after, now I'm more energetic than before. Like I wake up easily.
Say one thing. Disclaimer: don't do this by your own. And so you need to follow some instructions
Yes.
by a doctor, nutritionist, or whatever, because he's not just removing some food, but he's also taking vitamins and
Vitamins.
minerals.
Yes,
minerals.
and I'm doing also my ketone test.
Yes,
So I
that's
have the
just to
ketone
check,
test to
just
check
to
I'm already in the maximum ketonic. It means that I have
Ketone in
Ketone
your urine.
in my urine. Yes, which is working. That means it's working.
You see,
Yeah.
we don't enter in the scientific part, but
Yes,
don't do this.
she
in,
studied the scientific part,
No,
and we
yeah.
just do the.
Don't do
diet.
this on your own, because anyway, it's not for everyone. It's not.
If you want to do
Safe,
this,
always
write
safe
to
to do.
Nancy's
No, no,
Instagram,
no.
and she will
I
recommend.
can be
Okay, guys. Anyway.
legally persecuted for this.
Anyway, we're talking. What is this like? Oh, will I see that? Yeah, guys.
We're losing a lot of time.
Yes, it's too much work here in Monte San Justo. Road works. We're not moving. Yan, guys. So see you na lang there. We're going. Okay. Anything to add about diet suggestions, etc.? But keto diet for me, it's working. So I lost a lot of.
But next week we will start again to eat rice.
Yes, pero more controlled because I can do this only for 2 weeks. I can do more, but
Yeah, because there's no studies for
continue. Yeah,
yes, continued keto diet. It's okay for few weeks only.
few weeks. Yeah.
And that's it. And
Yeah. Evelyn. Yo, okay. See you in a bit. But it's working, guys. From 79.8
I mean,
to
it's normal. It's working. It's obvious.
76. Imagine, guys, like. Okay. See you. Ito na kami, guys. I can park here.
Vuoi ravvivare il tuo ascolto? Smart Shopper può inserire consigli musicali per le tue playlist.
Right, guys. So, si Nancy ay nagmalis na. Titingnan niya muna kung pwede ako pumasok sa event kasi ano yun sa mga college student. So, let's see if I can enter the event. If not, I stay here in the car or I go a little bit to walk. Maybe there's somewhere I can walk here, but I'm not sure. It's like I see only parking and school. Yes, so yeah, let's see. Ang storya dito sa Camerino, guys, it's dito nag-aral si dati si Nancy. I think 6 years ago or something like this. Tapos lumindol dito, nasira yung school and yung hotel, yung school tsaka yung titirahan nila. So tumira sila sa container dito, temporary. Yung marami pa rin dito daw na hindi pa naayos ng lindol. I don't remember what year, tatanungin ko si Nancy mamaya, but yeah. So so what happened? Huh?
It's just here. You entered. So you go up, right.
I need to pee.
Now you go when we enter. Because now it's full of people. You go inside the university and you look for the toilet.
You don't know because you don't know.
I don't know. I never been here before. It's my first time.
But I can enter in the university without the ID because people have ID.
These people have ID?
Yes.
I don't have ID, so I don't know. I entered, I signed.
How many minutes your break?
Until 12. Now they start. So dito, the other one like this, they finish fast.
So I waited like 2 hours here in the car because I don't want to go outside. It's very cold. And there is nothing here. I saw in the map it's like all houses like this. In the city center it's more up there.
I remember. Later we go to see.
Yeah, so later we go to see. Now
Eat fast, that's why we go.
and then you have to go back.
Yeah, 1:30.
No, better we walk.
2:30. I have 1 hour and a half. No, let's do something.
We can walk here. Just walk here. Pero if we move the car later, it will be difficult. We can go in the center after probably when you finish.
Very fast. I don't care. There's nothing. I don't know. Maybe I will show you the house.
Yeah, just make me some small tour and that's it.
I don't know what changed. It's
What time
9
finish?
years
2:30?
I'm not coming here.
What time finish? 2:30 or
No,
2:30 you
no,
start back?
1 I have my break. 2:30 we start again with the one workshop. I don't remember about what. LinkedIn, the one about
LinkedIn.
And
Yes.
then 3:30 there's question and where we go. But question, if there are no question, I will just quit. Time to find already.
Yeah.
I just need to do the test. I hope they give, because he said it's 5 minutes.
Yeah. So she finished the morning session.
Look, my notes. Do you want to see my notes?
What's that note? Yes, very active listener.
Ho ascoltato tutto. Però
Yes.
non ho scritto niente perché...
Bella questa.
Vero? Ho pensato di metterci i disegni di Dylan.
Sì, sicuro. Okay, so what we do?
Guarda, è bella.
Andiamo a mangiare? Let's eat here.
E poi camminiamo dopo, sì, dai.
Sì, perché piove.
Piove no, però è freddo, no?
Yeah, kain muna kami niyan.
Now there was a fighter.
Okay, fight.
There was the experience speech, motivational speech of a girl that is doing
A fight.
like a box. She started with the kickboxing and now she's doing box.
So, what is she talking about? How to fight.
No, motivational.
Yeah, how to fight.
Motivating herself to go into the working.
How to fight with life.
Environment. How to face the
Situation.
challenges. The situation. Yes. Sorry, my head it's long, so now
Let's put more.
like
white.
this, no.
Okay.
Like this, no. Like this, no.
Yeah. So, kain muna kami guys. Dito na kami kakain. Nag-prepare kami ng baon namin ni Nancy. We prepare some things to eat.
Yours is nice. Mine, it's a mess.
What?
My food. Now you will say.
Why? Nancy prepared some salad for me. Turkey salad, which is
You did it by yourself.
according to... No, you prepared the salad. I said the salad, not the turkey, not the...
I just cut the salad.
She cut the salad. The turkey, she cooked the turkey. Tapos may pipino, may
Kamatis.
It's still aligned to the diet, no? So we're going to eat here. Not working. It's a bit cold. That's why I decided to don't go for a walk because it's so cold. Baon natin.
Yes, but if you walk, you get the energy.
No, I'm just with the phone watching news. Duterte news. I told my mom.
Yes, I don't know why I got the notification. I was calling. Never happened.
This is good, guys.
Dylan's
Never.
favorite snack.
Dylan already eating at home.
Video. Aviado? Ba't sa rin yung dubyo?
Itong aming baon.
Preso Dylan sì. No, l'avete lasciata a scuola?
Sì.
Oh mannaggia, come fa?
Sono la maestra della esame.
Sì. Allora, so for my lunch, I have a messy thing. That's
Messy
horrible.
things.
Vai, guarda che brutto, vedete? What's a brutto?
Ma, it's enough for you this.
Guarda che è brutto.
Bruto, it's ugly.
I mean, it's horrible to see.
Take.
But I think I don't know if it's good because I had
Mine
like
it's
yes, it's nice.
Hey,
I
it's
did also
salad,
some you see, I did Caesar sauce. I did with yogurt, mayo, some
The morning she did.
celery,
pero it's salad.
pepper, oil. I mean, it's nice.
Guys, kain tayo.
Mine, I had this small portion of rice in the freezer that we use for now.
Leftover.
And then in the freezer, I defrosted that one. I put one slice of turkey from him. Finocchi, how do you say finocchi? Finocchi.
Funnel.
Cooked funnel with the tomato and some sitaw. Sorry, but that's just how do you say? Like I just put the things together, not like cooked in a normal way.
Mine
I
is
don't
salad.
even know if it's good called. Sa molto di finocchio. Pero okay.
So, lunch muna kami. After, baka maglakad-lakad tayo dito. We go for a walk.
I show you my previous university.
You want?
Meron pipino. Just to try the salad, the sauce. Maybe missing a bit of salt.
Salt,
but
yeah.
I had that 2 times.
We have salt. Don't have salt.
No.
Okay muna kami, ha? Finished, guys. So Nancy is finishing my.
My mom said I look thin.
The people in the comments is saying also you look young with the short hair.
That was not my goal.
With the short hair. And guys, what I noticed with my diet, now I eat very little now, and I'm already full. I feel like I didn't eat nothing, pero I'm full. You know? Sometimes I eat 2 eggs.
Eat yours.
I eat 2 eggs and already full, which is not me. Wow, ganda. Lakad-lakad kami saglit, guys. Ha? Biology, yeah. Quello with the grigia, the gray. This is like the whole school.
Te l'ho detto.
It doesn't look like school to me.
È tutti università, it's all different.
It doesn't look like school to me because
Why?
it's like houses. Why there are houses? Like this one.
This is a house. This is a house.
Yeah. Okay, no canteen here where you can eat to
Sì.
take coffee.
La mensa?
Sì,
La scuola?
sì.
Sì. Però gli studenti.
Yeah.
Qua a sinistra, vedi left, you have biologia molecolare, cellulare, animale, scienze
Alam mo itong-
morfologiche e biochimiche comparate.
Tingnan itong university ni Nancy, guys. Parang ano lang.
Polo delle scienze.
Yan, tingnan niya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayun, university.
Adesso qui vi faccio vedere.
Doesn't look like university to me.
Why? How's your university? You're thinking American style.
Huh? No, not thinking American style. Pero in our university, it's all with the gate. You close. Proprio like private.
Here, it's all different structure.
No house. So dito si Nancy ngayon pumupunta sa geology. So yan yung mga subject, yung mga ganyang mga science. So umikot lang kami. Yun yung sasakyan natin. Ang ganda ng view dito. Mountains. This snow here. Does snow here? Yes. It's very cold actually. Sakyan ko, yun.
When I was studying, we had this
So
snow.
here it's nice when it's snow, all white. No? Very nice, paradise. Huh? To go up. Yeah, just geology. You don't know where to go. So
Wow, thank you.
like Dylan always give you flowers. Put in your hair. Very rude. Just give flower and citro.
You remove one life from the. You cut his life like that.
Hey, that's why you have to. People like this is nice. You see, this is nice. I mean, I cut his life to give you life. Sacrifice. This is how our world work. Eat something to survive. Kapito, you're taking life to survive, to give life to you. Yeah, Kapito. Okay. Kapito, it's, do you understand? Iningal ako. Ang tarik ng nakit namin.
Okay, you're
Imagine.
tired. Your feet now, guys.
See, imagine guys, you study here every day, you have to come up here. Anyway, there's parking
That's
upstairs.
why there's a lot of cars and parking.
Yeah.
People come with the cars.
Because we parked there down, and now we are here up. Yes. It's like zigzag. See guys, you know. Yan yung geologia. Geologia. Building. Okay, let's go. So now we are in the Mathematica.
Where I was studying. Where I was doing the lesson.
Yes, Mathematica. Yan. Ang ano ni Nancy. Pero tinan nyo guys, na-notice ko dito. You know, yung mountain, nagtatouch na siya yung ano, yung clouds. No? I want to go there to touch the clouds. Sea of clouds. Sea of clouds. Informatica.
That one is a new building. It was Informatica before. It was in the city center, so it was a name, not
That one there.
Inagibile. Not,
Informatica.
you cannot enter anymore, and they move it here.
It's not anymore for
You cannot enter in the city center, so they moved it.
okay. Yeah. Okay. Balik na kami. Makyat kami doon sa taas ng ano. Nagkape lang. At very tiring to go up. Now it's very easy to go down. Later,
It's more difficult to go down.
pain with the knees to go down. Yeah, so medyo ano na si Nancy. She have 20 minutes to go back. Anyway, we are actually in the university.
That's what I was saying.
Yes,
No.
yan.
I
Limbong
told you.
University.
The secret to register
Another
the university,
other course.
it's gray.
Gray.
It's all gray. Like Mary said, it looks like a prison.
Yeah. Actually, the color and the architecture become more simple from before. Imagine, like maybe 1,000 years ago, the architecture is very complicated, no, with all the designs, etc. Now, just one building like this, basta. Avoid the color.
Did
Before,
you say anyway, the city is under construction
see,
because this was
I told them that lumindol dito when you were student
9
here.
years ago, 2016.
Yan, ang daming construction sa taas, so it's like a mess. But 2016,
Actually, it's a good
the
thing
year.
that yes,
Okay.
it's actually a good thing that they are doing something. That building. It's better that they're doing something than nothing,
Right,
obviously.
of course. Yeah. So the year is 2016. Okay, so from now it's like 9 years ago. Okay, we're going down. Go, 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 go. Okay guys, so pauwi na kami. Tapos na yung event ni Nancy. At after nun, nag-ikot-ikot kami konti sa city, sa loob ng city. Yan, makikita nyo naman napakadaming still in construction or buildings with support sa Camerino. Yes, Camerino, yes. And ngayon pauwi na kami. Si Nancy didiretso sa Kiladila. Nakuwi muna kasi mag-work muna. Yeah. When funny story, it's first time happened. After namin mag-ikot-ikot to the city of Camerino, I have actually 20 kilometers left on my gas tank in the car. And then suddenly become 5. But the gas station is 5 kilometers. It's like like a scary thing, no? Like, anyway, the car always have reserve, you know that, but it's scary that you see the zero and you're running.
I was like looking at the kilometers, looking at the time to arrive to the gas station.
It's exactly, no, actually 1 kilometer here in the car, 1.4 kilometers in the maps.
And then I saw 0.
And then 0, ting, 400 meters we arrived to without a problem. It's funny, but it's okay, we manage because
I was thinking of waiting the car. You go there, you put in a tank, and then you put in the car.
We don't even have the tank for
no, but maybe they have in the gas station.
Maybe you can buy, or you can put in the plastic bottle. I don't know. Anyway, it's funny. Yeah, so bawi na kami. See you in a bit. So dito ako sa bahay guys, nag-work ako saglit kasi may kailangan ako tapusin. Pero saglit lang, like 30 minutes lang kasi naalala ko, may appointment pala ako sa barber shop. No, magpapagupit pala ako. Kasi medyo mahaba na. So, paalis na rin ako ngayon. Munti ko na malimutan. Buti nag-message sa akin na tinaalala sa akin na just to remind you na may appointment ka, blah blah blah, ganito, alas 7, it's 6:30 na. Hindi ko malimutan. Buti meron silang ganong reminders. Okay. So, mas na ako. So, lakad na ako. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung gupit. If I can vlog there or no. Anyway, later makikita nyo rin. And doon kami magdi-dinner sa bahay ng parents ni Nancy kasi nandun yung mga bata and almost dinner na rin naman. Okay. Alright. Let's go.
Although we might disagree, if most our lives are lived in black and white, it makes the gray so hard to see. Living in a dry state.
Pawis. Who's that? Who's that? No. No. No, Bimbo. Mamaya niya wala. Let's go. Ay. Punta kami sa bahay. Yan, fam. At gusto kami mag-dinner. Iniwan namin si Dylan doon kasi bukas ng maaga. Maaga si Nancy papasok. 5 o'clock in the morning. At si Dylan papasok, yung lola niya maghahatid sa kanya sa school. Alright, so ito yung bagong gupit natin, mullet style guys. And, I don't know, you like my hairstyle? A bit strange. I don't like mullet when it's newly cut, but it will grow. Yan yung mullet style natin. Okay, kung nakabot ka dito, maraming salamat yan, fam, and see you next vlog. What's my sister saying after she finished the vlog? Salamat.
Salamat. God bless.
Salamat. God bless. With the heart. Okay. Good night, guys. Bye-bye.
Sitting on the porch steps in the town where we met after the sun.